Hello everyone, this is Joe from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a warranty Breville repair with us in the shop. And I came in originally for leaking onto the counter. There was a gasket or few in the back of the machine that was leaking water into the counter. We sealed it, sent it on its way, and it came back because it was still leaking. And what had happened is this hose right here was damaged on this end, as you can see. It's supposed to actually have this little brass fitting here, but the crush valve the crush little suction thing here actually fell off, and so this brass part fell off, and it was just leaking water through here. So we replaced it with a brand new one under warranty, and we have tested this machine for about 2 hours or so, and yeah, it hasn't leaked yet. So we're just gonna quickly just test all the functions. We don't have a shot prepared, but we'll just run the water. Now, when it was brought back, I do have to give this explanation. When it was brought back, they had said that instead of leaking on the counter, it leaked on the drip tray, which could have happened, most likely happened due to this leak coming from the steam boiler dripping down, ending up in the drip tray. The last leak was actually in the back of the machine, so it was leaking more on the counter. But when I tested it today, when you pressurize it, the steam boiler shot water to the back and ended on the counter. And so, yeah, after replacing that hose and the gasket associated with it, we didn't get any leaks. So that was water through the front. Do manual steaming. See, working well. And of course, hot water. And yeah, no leaks whatsoever. Again, we did test this for about 2 to 3 hours on pressurized, so that we could see if there was any extra leaks, but there wasn't any. And of course, we had the lid off, had the back panels off just to look. And yeah, should be working well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.